When approaching the stern docking, once you are between the boats, make sure you have enough space from each side. Regarding the wind direction, also make sure that you always stay a little bit closer to the windward side and never too far on a leeward. Once we are about 2 lengths from our position, start making a wide turn to your spot. Give yourself maximum space, slow down, don't do too sharp turns. Slowing down will actually help you turn the boat faster, so also make sure that you don't have too much speed approaching this wide turn. Once you're happy with the turn and you're targeting your position, be ready to straight up the helm. Once you target your spot, make sure you speed up just for a second so you actually pull your bow to keep the boat straight. Once you have it straight and once you're between the boats, you can go to neutral to slow down. Once you're getting closer with the stern, go easy forward. And once you are at the end, completely stop the boat. And never stop it too early. As soon as you stop it, you want to secure the windward line. In this case, it's going to be the stern line. So we're going to secure this one. As soon as we secure it, you're going to see that we're going to move forward with the engine. And then also we're going to secure the midline. After this, on this dock, we also have mooring lines that we're going to secure. And then the boat is fine. Going forward, also keep the helm to the port side. This will help the boat to move parallel to the dock